Alright, so just a little bit of a detour here because I noticed some raspberries growing. So we got one right there, one right here. Kind of hard to focus in on it, but usually, yep, there you go. Pulls right off. Doesn't look like any ants have been on it. And so I'm just gonna eat it. Wow, that is really sweet. So, that was really cool. That's only like my second or third. And of all of these raspberry bushes here that are just growing into the bin. And we did have some rhubarb, but it's kind of died off a little bit. Rose bush, not super important right now. And the bathtub. Zoom back out. Yeah, so this is a steel bathtub. Now, I'm gonna see if there's anything that needs to be picked right now. I did pick some recently for dinner the other night, and basically I took some radishes and some zucchini, put them together, made a little bit of a vegetable stir fry. Okay, here's one. So this one's pretty big. Hopefully you guys can see this. This would be a nice shot of this coming out. So, size of it's really good. It's actually rather big. And you just pull it out like that. Shake off the dirt. Obviously you can continue to shake it off a little bit more. No, just use your fingers, doesn't matter. So yeah, that is a radish from, well, it's technically still a garden even though it's in a bathtub. But yeah, fresh radish. Bring it in, eat it. These things have lots of flavor in them. They're actually really nice to replace onions, because I don't really care for onions all that much. And basically you just go by when they hit us, well, about an inch. Most of these other ones haven't really hit that size. I don't know if they even will. Just because, again, first year for radishes in a long time. So our experiments continue. And yeah, radish. Fresh right out of the garden, pulled right out, cut off the top, cut off the little root there, wash it, just eat it like you were eating an apple, slice it up, put it in a salad, cook with it, do whatever you want. Like, this is what it's all about, guys. This is gardening. Literally pulling it out and being able to wash it, cut it, and eat it in basically just a couple of minutes.